Managing and organizing the workflow of reading. This tutorial shows how to use RefBin to manage articles retrieved by automated searches and maintain control of reading. Open an automated search. Let's look at the first article. Usually the choice to import the article to our account or exclude it can be done by only reading the title. If the title doesn't provide enough information, click on the PubMed icon to access the abstract. Rather than read the abstract from beginning to end, read the last sentence, and usually this will be enough to allow a decision. Another method to speed making a decision is to highlight selected text in the abstract. Hit Ctrl F and type in one of the keywords used in the automated search. That word will be highlighted in the abstract, which will take you immediately to the most relevant sentences. The first article is not sufficiently relevant, so let's exclude it. It is shown as excluded for now, and will be removed from the automated list upon logging out. This excluded article will also be removed from any other automated search list in which that article was pending. If you should ever encounter that article again, RefBin will remind you that you previously excluded it. For example, copy the PMID number. Now paste that into a quick search. The article that we just excluded shows up on this new search as excluded because RefBin remembers your interaction. You can still import it if you change your mind. Back to the automated list. The next article is relevant to my reading, so let's click Import. This uploads the information from PubMed to my account, including the title, author, abstract, and will now be available online anytime you log in. Where in the account does this information go? Click on the Work tab. The top heading says, Imported articles that are not yet read and assigned. This heading is a temporary holding spot so that articles that have been imported and not yet acted upon will not seem to disappear. As soon as the article is assigned to another heading, it is automatically removed from this pending list. Back to the imported article. Click on the green square to make it the working article. This prepares RefBin to carry out functions on that article. The article automatically scrolls to the top and expands to show more information. The list of articles in the right panel otherwise remains the same. You can still scroll up and down in the right panel. One of the first functions is to retrieve the full-text PDF and upload it to your account. Check out the RefBin Get PDF tutorial, which shows the detailed steps of uploading a PDF into your account. RefBin uses its own online PDF reader. This means you can access your article online in a standardized format from any computer. This reader allows highlighting, underlining, and other markup tools. RefBin instantly stores all of your markups on that PDF in your online account. When you pull that article up again, it will have all of your markups. No synchronization or other steps are needed. One of the most important features of RefBin is the method by which typing your notes about an article builds a structure of information. This is done by entering mini outlines about the article into the note space in the left panel. There is an important tutorial in RefBin that describes the strategy for creating and merging mini outlines. Now back to our organizing reading tasks. If you have not finished reading an article, it is deferred for reading later. Create a first-level heading, B cells. Under that, type First Articles to Read. Then to create even more detail, make the following children: all things related to sequencing B cells, B cell articles on lymph node physiology, and methods to screen B cells for antibody production. Make as many reading sections as you want and change them as you dive into the topic. This way, all articles that are imported have a destination. Drag the article to B cell articles on lymph node physiology. As soon as the article is assigned to a heading, multiple things happen all at once. The citation list counter at the end of the heading goes up by 1, and a red X shows up at the end of the heading. Clicking on this red X will remove the article from the heading. In the right panel, the citation now shows the new heading assignment. All of this is instantly stored in your online account. Later, when you are ready to read the article, just click on the citation number list at the end of the heading. Scroll to the article and click on the PDF icon. You can immediately pick up where you left off and begin reading in seconds. Back to the automated search list. The next article is relevant. Click Import and make it the working article. We find that the full text is not available through our library. We cannot read the article right now, but we do not want the article to get lost either. Create a first-level heading, Full Text Articles Not in My Library. Then, create a series of children, assign articles to Assistant to get full-text PDF, get interlibrary loan, and contract with RefBin service to get PDFs. Drag the newly imported article, for which the PDF was not available, to Get Interlibrary Loan. Later, you can work on getting full-text articles for a set rather than one by one. Let's summarize the important points. Use RefBin to manage and prioritize your reading tasks. RefBin remembers your interactions with every article that you import or exclude from an automated search. Use the Workflow tab to create a topic-based reading list. Use Workflow to manage your tasks such as getting an interlibrary loan. Get every article to a destination so you know exactly where to pick it up.